What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Holloway's Garage. Today, I'm just going to be adjusting the trailer brakes on this trailer here. I figure I'd show you guys how to do it. A lot of you probably already know how, but if you don't, this might help you do it. You should do it every like 3,000 miles or so. I'm way over that. And when you start feeling that, you have to push push your brake controller up because you're not getting the stopping power you should, then that's probably time to start changing it up. And I'm way over on this thing. So we're going to hop in it and hop underneath and get under there and start adjusting these trailer brakes. It's really simple, and it makes it a lot easier. You got to jack it up. So this actually worked out pretty well. I just jacked it up and my tractor's holding the front part of it. But I guess I should be safe underneath this. I don't know. We'll see. So you technically don't need to go underneath these to do them. But if you see here, there's a little star wheel. It's hard to see it. But there's these two on the back of the brake drum. And what you would do is take your, it's a brake spoon, it's called. But I'll show you. So you would use your spoons to make the adjustments you need. These probably will work. Or you can use a screwdriver, I guess, if you needed to. You don't necessarily need these, I guess, but I have them, so I might as well use them. And you just go in there, and you would want to spin your tire. So you want to hear it making contact slightly. These are not making any contact. So they're way out of adjustment. So yep, we're going to go in there and we'll change them, or we'll slowly adjust them. And then I'll show you kind of what it should sound like for the finished product. I forgot to mention, so like these, there's no, I want them to be tighter. So to tighten them up, you want to move that screw down. So when you're using your adjuster, you slide it in there, or your spoon or flathead. We'll get under there. Do it. Ow, I hit myself in the face with it. So you got your screw. You want to move it downward. So that means you move it this way. You move your adjuster up like that. Mine's not moving at all. There we go. So you want to do that until you start hearing that kind of. So you want to think a little bit more than that, probably. That's probably getting pretty close. I'm going to keep at it. And then what you want to do, you want to adjust all four of them the same. So try to get the same amount of friction out of all four of them. And then that way they're all even. And from there, then you should be pretty good with brakes. I should probably look these over. I don't have a ton of miles on them, but I'm going to end up pulling the drums off just to make sure that the pads and everything are inside are all good. But alrighty, that's it. And I'll show you the final adjustment, what it looks like, kind of what you want your wheel to look like, or the amount of contact and friction you want, just free rolling. All right, they weren't too bad. They were pretty out of adjustment, but that seems about right, I think. So I got them all about the same. So yeah, hopefully I'll be good to go. I got to go pick up some stuff with it tomorrow, and I'm just gonna run through and just air up all the tires, make sure she's ready to go. But yeah, it's that easy and simple to do, and it took me 10 minutes or so. Obviously, it is nicer to be able to sit underneath there and do it, but you can do it, laying on the ground too. Just jack up one side at a time. All right. Well, thanks for checking out this episode, guys. I hope you maybe learned something, or it helps you, adjust your trailer brakes. Hopefully, I'll get some more of these projects going and get some more videos up. I just had to do the water pump in my Duramax, and that was a heck of a deal. Pretty frustrating, but I'll have a video of that up soon. And yeah, that's the truck I'm actually going to go take up the road and pick up a bunch of equipment with. So hopefully this helped you out. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. I have a lot of other trucks and projects. It's not just maintenance on silly things like this. And that stuff's honestly way more fun to deal with than maintenance stuff. Like with that Duramax, I don't know. You fix it, it's great, but you still have the same truck. It's not like you put something together and build something cool, which is kind of like what I like to do. See something change and see a difference. But that is rewarding when you can work on something yourself and fix it and not have to pay a shop like $1,000 or whatever it would cost to get it done. But thanks again, and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it, guys.